Good day everyone, we're Group 1 and now we're on Module 6. We will talk about the role of proactive communication in Internet customer support. But before we begin, let me introduce our team. I'm Gaviola John Lawrence M. together with Santos Jalas Roy and Versosa Marcangelo. Proactive communication in online customer support means taking the initiative to assist customers before they even reach out for help. This approach involves anticipating their needs and addressing potential concerns in advance by utilizing digital platforms such as emails, chatbots, and notifications. Companies can provide timely updates, helpful guidance, and solutions to common issues. Moving on to the importance of proactive communication, it improves customer satisfaction by addressing concerns early. It also reduces support tickets and also prevents issues from escalating and eases the workload of support teams. This approach also strengthens brand loyalty as customers value timely and efficient assistance.
So on this slide, it outlines the four key methods employed in proactive communication. We have the preemptive customer support, the automated notifications, the chatbots and live chats, and personalized recommendation. So first, we help them before they ask. Guess what problems they might have and help them to fix it. Second is tell them what's new. Use computers to send messages about updates or any changes. Third one is talk to them online. So use chat robots or real people to answer the questions quickly. And last one is suggest things they might like. So use information about what they like to suggest things that they might want.
Now, let's take a look at the challenges in implementing proactive communication. Um, Implementing proactive communication present challenges such as resource in resource intensity due to significant of investment in human and financial resources. Also, technology integration, um, complexities related to selecting and adapting the right tools, and the need to personalization and automation to ensure efficient yet meaningful customer interaction. And lastly, for the summary, proactive communication in internet customer support is very crucial as it anticipate customer needs and enhancing satisfaction, building trust, uh, increasing loyalty, reducing support requests, and also improving overall service quality to foster lasting positive relationship with customers.